Hey, I'm Yuri, and over the last year, I have been building Masthead. I originally built it because I wanted a better way to manage my own websites. I like static generators like Hugo because they're fast and simple, but I got tired of maintaining deployment pipelines and rebuilding sites whenever I wanted to make a change. On the other side, I never really enjoyed working with larger CMSs like WordPress for smaller websites because it's simply too slow. So I started building the platform I wanted to use myself. The idea behind Masthead is actually extremely simple. Themes don't just define how your website looks, they also define how its content is managed. That means every website can have an editing experience that's designed specifically for that website. On a bigger site, that might look something a little like this. On my home page, I get all these page settings. I can edit the hero, the lists with all of the services. If you see the cards here, I can move them around. As you can see, that's instantly applied. And all these groups and all these objects and all these forms are generated based on what the theme tells me. Let me show you. When we create a site, it is instantly available on the internet using a .masthead.site domain. We also get a checklist where we can either import our old site, we're not going to do that now, create our first post, or create our first page. Let's create a post. Throw in some lorem ipsum. If I hit Command S, it automatically saves as a draft. And if I publish it, I can now view the post on my website. So this shows a specific post, and it also shows on our homepage. A page is exactly what you might expect. It can be either Markdown, HTML, or it can be derived from a theme. If we create a simple Markdown page, it can, for instance, be an about. You get some extra settings with a page, and I can throw in some data, and these can also be published. As you can see, the theme I've chosen now shows the About button in the menu directly. My favorite part of the editor is definitely the theme editor. Instead of every website having the same editor, the theme defines which settings exist. So a photographer's portfolio might expose completely different options than a company website or a personal blog. The editing experience adapts to the website instead of forcing every website into the same mold. For instance, I can change the accent color, view the site. Now the accent color is being used. For a different theme, which I can install via our marketplace, I just hit the little plus button. Let's install the Interstellar theme. Go back to the theme settings and apply it. This theme requires different types of settings. It has a lot of different colors. It has settings for the stars. For the typography, it has different types of fonts. And now if I view my site, the content is still there, but it is a completely different site. Every change you make is directly reflected on the website. Masthead is open source and still evolving. My goal isn't to build the biggest publishing platform out there. It's to build one that people genuinely enjoy using this. If you decide to give it a try, I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you for watching.